What's up everyone? Welcome to another stream. It's amazing, day 25 while coding. I'm super happy we made until day 25. So welcome to the stream. I'm building the most customizable AI super app, AI coding super app basically, or some people call it AI coding workspace. So both are right. I welcome everyone to the stream. How are you guys doing? I hope you start Monday with a great positive energy, and we all have a great week ahead of us. And right now I'm still optimizing, I'm still making the new update, which I rewrote 70 to 75% of Nexa in Rust. So that's what I do. I'm completely improving that.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
Hi, welcome to the stream, Sabur. How are you, bro?
To create a song, I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Welcome everyone. How are you guys doing? Are we? Can you hear me? Looks like today YouTube has some weird problem for me. What's up everyone? Welcome to the stream. How are you guys doing? Had a little bit issue with YouTube. Now I think it worked. It was not showing me my, like, is it live, or the analytics section also was not working properly. Now it looks like it's working. So now at least I can focus on work as well. Okay, so I have to rename this thread to soon. Okay, let's continue now working. Okay, here is first thing that we have to do, and we are working, remember, on Nexa local dev version. The first thing that we have to fix is that sometime user says that they are trying to use API key, and they are saying that they are not able to publish on Cloudflare. So can you check that and make sure that all the secret folders for all those API keys we have is in agent, when the agent is like have access to those, they should be able to use it properly for deployment and also for publishing stuff. If not, then they should guide user properly to get those keys, the real and proper API keys, and place on Nexa secret folders or files, and then use it. Welcome everyone to the stream. How are you guys doing? I had a little bit issue with the stream earlier. Looks like that fixed, so now I can talk, and also I'm working. So as you see, guys, this is the latest version. I'm right now doing the testing on this one. So after testing this one and solving some issues, which is gonna be on this dev version, I will probably push the biggest update that we had for Nexa since it launched. So everyone will get the new version, as you see the one that I'm using, but this one is also like under test. If there is still some issues, I'm gonna fix properly everything and then publish this one. So that's the plan right now. Okay, here is another issue that we have. Remember, we are working on Nexa local dev version, okay? And the issue is that we have, when I click on any panel like chat, browser, like any panel, and I want to maximize or I full screen it, right? The issue is that when I do it, it does maximize, but when I click like back to minimize it, not minimize, like out of that maximize and back to normal window, it forget its place and it's try to fit itself and kind of not respecting where it was. The maximize should be when we have chat and then I want to like click and maybe I need more space, maybe I need like a little bit more information. That's why I do maximize, right? And then when I'm done, I want to bring everything to normal workspace. So I click back on the out of full screen section and then like restore basically, and it should properly restore back on where things was in terms of organized. Now it doesn't do that. It's just do its thing and make everything like, how can I say it? It doesn't respect basically. So check what caused that issue. why the maximize doesn't properly work, and restore also and fix it. Okay.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me free.
Okay, what is the next thing that we have to work on that one? What's up, Zico? Welcome. How are you? Welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Okay, great. I have been I had a little bit issue with YouTube earlier. When I started streaming, for me, I couldn't get the analytic, and I couldn't see the stream properly, so I fixed that. And now I'm back on working on new version of Nexa, basically testing, and when it's ready, then probably today maximum, I don't know, maybe not today, tomorrow. This version took very longer than I thought, so that's what I do. Okay, here is another issue that we have right now, which is on the settings. So when you click on the settings, and as you see right now, when you wanna select a phone or something, right? Select the phone, basically in the setting area there is no proper spacing for that one, that user be able to see that other options for the phone. So check that one and see why this is happening. We need to fix it. minutes. Okay, let me also verify this. I don't know if that's the bug or that's in the old version issue. Yeah, it is back. Yes, Tiku. Can you test your whip? What is your whip? Yeah, sure. I will check in a moment. Okay. And also first I want you to launch local dev version that I want to test maximize stuff if that fix. After that, start work on this issue that we have. So this is on the web or you have to download this one. Okay, this is on the web, right? Yeah, it does look the landing page looks clean. So how the user will use this one? Basically, user using their own account, basically. They're banned with Grok 4.6. Okay, nice. No, my question is that user using your own account, like your own subscription, or you have a subscription included? doesn't it? Just a second ago, I'm taking this one. Why this is? Sometimes the issue is that even if you try your best, no matter what you do, sometimes something that works perfectly, AI is breaking it. Even like you have strict rules for it. You do like everything you can, right? Still, sometimes it happens. Okay, here is the issue. As you see that the full maximize and restore, like when you maximize and then click restore, it does not bring to exactly where it was, and I don't know why. What is causing when we use maximize? It shouldn't have any issue. It's just like a temporary panel that a user may use for their browser or their chat or their terminal or CLI, right? To like kind of a focus thing. And then after that, when they click on restore from maximize, it should automatically, like, things should be already without, things should not even move, if you get my point. As you see right now, when I click restore, the browser is like on top of the browser is coming like on top of other panels basically. Okay, yeah, you bring your own SAP. We include speech, text, cloud, agent plus. Oh, nice. So isn't this when someone use on the cloud, basically they're working on their local project, right? Okay, this is fixed. It's good. Yeah, this looks nice. This looks nice. Then this is clean. This is clean. This looks nice. I wish you all the very best. And this looks also clean. Very, very nice. You can also share on the project area in our Discord as well, so people may notice, and they need, they should be able to see that. Server made with Grok 4.6. Nice. Yeah, Grok is, if you like have control on it, it's sometimes it's doing amazing. Even the UI is like amazing stuff. Mm, 5 minutes. Maybe 8. This one 11. 5, 8, 11. 5, 8, 11. Welcome everyone to the stream. How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? How was your weekend? What do you think, guys? How the new version of, like, the new update, when I drop this one, how does it look next up? So this is like the new version of it. This is how it looks. If you want to try this, it's already available, everyone. Has 3 days for free trial. You can go and download and give it a shot. Windows and Mac version, like Apple Silicon. It's an agentic coding super app. Basically has everything, multiple providers. As you see right now in one chat, you have Plot, Grok, Codex, Chemi, Custom, and also if you use local AI. And a lot of other stuff. Give it a shot. Okay, that's fixed. This is let's see if it fixed. Mouse panel change chronology. Every background panel remain completely frozen. Restore and focus. Okay, let's try. Okay, let me open the browser. It was open. Now I have this is how it looks. So I'm gonna maximize the chat, and then I click OK. It fixed. Okay, nice. Let me open another chat. Now let me test it. Maximize, bring back, maximize, bring back. Nice. Okay. This is fixed. If I open even Nexa pad, and I'm putting on like here, and I use organize to make things like looks like this. Okay, this is Nexa path, right? I work on this one, imagine, and then I click. Okay, it didn't. Nexa path. Okay, close it. I open Nexa path again. So this is Nexa path. I maximize, and then it's gonna go to its place. I click. So, and then I do organize. Okay, it does work. Okay, it got better, but it's not fully fixed, because when you do resize the panel and make especially Nexa workspace a little bit smaller, and then we try that with multiple panel, it doesn't do properly. Maybe the organized section that we have, when I change from original workspace and I use organized, and after that it's not every time respecting it properly. So check that and do like one more pass on this one. Okay, what was wrong? Local code create a route secret directory in the OS agent. Okay, so confirm that code without finding the run the agent put miss. Okay, so this is also fixed that we had report from users. There is another thing. Okay, this is my own. Okay, so here is an issue that I have with computer use right now. When you try to use computer use, we don't have this says that Nexa use your computer, right? That's one thing that it should be fixed properly. The second issue that we have is that when Nexa, for example, open and use computer and then they are done, right? So this computer is still open here until like the agent completely stop. So what I want, the agent need computer use this overlay should start showing for users, and then when the agent like stop that time and it goes to do its thing, this computer use should also stop. When agent need again and they want to use computer use, then this should show again, like kind of on and off, the way it does with the browser use that we have, right? It should not be always like here. So that doesn't feel properly a little bit. Need polish, and also make sure that why right now when your agent try to use computer use, this one doesn't show. Basically what I want, a very clean, smooth transition between using computer or not using computer. Like kind of not annoying, but a kind of feel that smooth, like proper smooth transition. Welcome everyone to the stream. If you don't know what am I doing, I've been working on this project that I can show you after like I've been working on this one. Today is my 250. I've been working on this one. It's called Nexa. It's an agentic coding super app or agentic coding workspace. So this is what I am doing right now. I launched already on 16th of July, the first beta, and then 1st of August. It's 7-day trials, and 15th of August. From that moment, it has 3 days for free trial, and then one-time payment, which is $49. And we currently sold about 14, not about, like exact 14 version of it. If you wanna guys try it for yourself, it has 3 days for free trial without credit card, nothing. We just give it a shot, maybe you like it. This is how it looks. You can have multiple chat, multiple project. It has a built-in plan path, you can use for your workflow. And then it has its own plan, which is this one, plan mode, that you and your agent, you can keep track your work, and you can use your own cloud code codecs, Grok, Kimi. That's how it works. So here is the thing. For example, if I have a panel which is, for example, we can say that we have Nexa pad, right? So when I resize, like I use maximize and I click, the full workspace is not available for me, as you see right now. It doesn't do proper maximize. So it was working properly, and I don't know why right now has some bugs and issues. And right now it looks like it has only that issue with path, and also with the plan as well. Like the plan is overly like completely broken. When I open plan, it just starts flashing everything. So let's see why it's doing on the dev local version. Not happened. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is okay. And right now Nexa has unlimited panel for the workflow. I think that's too much, and it's not for Nexa, and also for user it's not good that we have like allow that more unlimited panels. So what we should do, we should lock the panels amount to maximum 9 panels at the same time. That panel will not lock the chat or CLI or any other panel. So if user, for example, want to open browser, path, etc, like whatever, right? So the maximum allowance should be, I think, 9. So that way it's more stable, it's more for performance, for Nexa, and also that weird scroller that we added, because we added unlimited panels before, so we have to remove that scroller as well. So basically the Nexa background should not be scrollable, and it should be fixed with 9 panel maximum at the same time. Welcome everyone, welcome to the stream. How are you doing, guys? What's up, brother Jet? Welcome to the stream. How are you, bro? How was your weekend? This song? Yeah, this song is not copyright song. This is from No Copyright Sound. So I always use this playlist, right, every day, so it doesn't have any problem. How does the new Nexa tester looks like, this version? Oh, the song at the beginning of the stream, yeah. Maybe that is a, that could be a copyright song. But right now we don't like basically earn anything, right? So that does not affect us. It just sometimes I play copyright song and it says that, oh, your earning is limited. I'm like, I don't even earn. So. Is it super delay? Like, how is the stream? Is it very delay? Because I have on basically on ultra low latency. I don't know. Guys, like, okay, it's not that delay. I wanted to test delay. That's why I did this, to see if it is delayed. Okay. I'm loving the look of Nexa. Did you do anything different? Sorry. I'm all over place. Started new 2 job in the office today right now. Oh, okay. I wish you all the best with the new job. I really do. What did you need to differing? No, I'm just whatever I did on Friday and Saturday. So I'm just keep. Yesterday I haven't worked a lot. I took like some time off, and because I had to go outside. And then today, since I came back from outside, I'm like working, fixing some stuff that I had some feedback from our users, and also like keep polishing it, making it better experience basically.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the crib.
What are some new implementation you have been working on? Going to try download Nexa on my work computer laptop when I get back. Okay, nice. Yeah, the new implementation is like basically this is the new update that we have been working, like I have been working on this one like full last week, right? Rewriting from Rust and also a lot of more improvement. It's not out yet basically. When it's out, it's gonna be the new update. It's gonna be this one.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee?
One of the things that I improved it a lot is basically security. Now if you go to, for example, Nexa, right? This is a chat, and then you ask about, I don't know, maybe if you even open a new chat, and then you open like one of the cheapest model, it's going to be Grok Composer, and you ask like, hi, how Nexa agent orchestrator session works. Oh, right now it's under. No, right now it's working basically. That's why it keeps starting. I hope it doesn't basically restart right now. I want to see the replay from it.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down.
Okay, looks good. What is the security aspect of that demonstrating? Basically, it improved a lot. Your report, you gave me report which had like basically 6 pages, right? I did that, and also I got one report from our user AJ, and it was like about 68 how can I say it, about 68 sections, which was include a lot of fixes, which was I did like checking that one, and I said, okay, whatever is like fitting our vision, we're gonna keep that one. And then I did improve that path as well. And also I did use JLM 5.3 for security, packaging security, that like some of very important stuff which is in the backend front, like anyone can copy from a screenshot as well. That's not like a big deal. The things are like in the backend how stuff works, right? So that's the thing I have been working on that one. As you see right now, the agent was before, they didn't know a lot about its surrounding. Basically it was knowing, but they didn't know like exactly. Right now every agent inside Nexa like get kind of, it knows what is open, what is closed, browser is open or is it closed, editor is open or not, how many chat is open, which agent is working in which part, like kind of it knows its surrounding. When they are working in the same area, and they like if you have like multiple chat working, and if they are working near to each other, they know that someone is working or someone like did work here, so they're trying to not touch each other's file. Basically that's why like I'm saying security wise, it got more stable. This was for computers, whatever computer visibilities, now action scope. As first action aspect, pressing desktop browser branch trigger the same behavior, escape capture only during active. Control exit and re-enter transition or smooth and reduced motion safe. Okay. What's up everyone, welcome to the stream. How are you guys doing? Guys, also if you want to join our Discord, this is my basically Nexa's Discord, my Discord. Okay, this is my Discord. Thank you. So as you see, we have about 209 members, and we are like basically getting started, and we are keep going. Kind of everyone is starting chatting, posting stuff. And if you haven't joined, you can join, it's free. And make it since I started the new join official. Okay, it's okay. You come. And you can share if you have any project, you can share your project here in our share project area. Basically like a small community, we're growing together, like 209 members right now. And also, especially if you're using Nexa, you can come here and start reporting your bugs. So fix on new update. So like I'm like kind of getting feedback from all of you guys, and then I'm fixing those. Fix on new update. And then I'm here kind of giving you update if things are fixed or not fixed. So yes, welcome. You can join to our Discord. You can also try Nexa. So this is like agentic coding workspace that I built. This is called Nexa. As you see, this one, it has hat, which you can draw your vision. Basically, I did draw my vision. I sent to this agent, right? And I said, okay, this is Nexa. Now I want this. This is how it should be. It should have only maximum 9 panels at the same time, like 3 on the top and 3 vertically and horizontally, right? So this is how it should be maximum. Before it was unlimited, and unlimited is very risky, and the rendering cost, and also people will not run more than like 9 panels at the same times. So that's what I'm like, we do not need to make things like dangerous, so why we should not make it safer? So that's why I'm like, remove that ability of unlimited and now locking to maximum 9 panel at the same time. If we get stable enough, and also if there is demand for more, then we can unlock another for like future. But for now, 9 panel is like enough. Like you can open your multiple chat, you can open your hat that you can draw your vision, then you can open your plan. As you see right now in this plan, these are agents keep tracking their own work, like this one. And this is here you can start to adding project, and then you can like keep tracking your task. So basically this is very, very useful, and it has built-in editor if you need. It has browser if you need, multiple chat, multiple provider at the same chat clean, agent orchestrator if you need, like Fable. You can choose Soul or Fable basically as a main agent, and then you can ask it that use Grok for you, and use Kemi, use any other model that from these 4 providers that we do support, right? Give it a shot, it's free. It has 3 days for free trial. 4 days basically. It's gonna give you 4 days. And then try it. If you like, it's just $49 lifetime. If you don't like it, you can just ignore it basically. Link is in the description.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head.
That mission module is proving access view can the background safely while they are chat and CEO like planning. Computer use and this is also fixed. This is good. Nexa computer, we can turn it on. I hope this one doesn't restart because right now I'm testing Nexa computer. Okay, where is the visual? Where is the visual? Okay, here is Nexa computer. I tested on the dev local. The issue that hasn't fixed yet is, first of all, the screen that we have in the chat. It doesn't show the computer is properly faster. It does show, but it's gonna like taking a little bit longer. The second issue that we have is that we lost that overlay visual that we had like around the screen, and also they were showing that it was saying Nexa using your computer. That is gone. Somehow I didn't ask for that one, but that overlay is not showing. So look what happened. And also the mouse, the computer mouse is not visible. We had proper mouse for it. So check this and see where is the issue. Fix this. What's up everyone, welcome to the stream. How are you guys doing? Welcome to the stream. Okay, another one. What's up, Colin? Welcome to the stream. How are you? I'm still fixing. There are some bugs, some issues. Optimizing with the RAS rewrote that I did, right? Now I have a little bit issue on basically on the Nexa workspace. So I'm like trying to optimize that one. Had some issue with the organize, that's fixed. Now this is the last thing that I'm like doing to lock basically the workspace. Should not have more than 9 panels at the same time open, because that affect performance and also using a lot of resources and it doesn't make Nexa stable basically. Welcome Tabisha, welcome to the stream. What happened? Why did delete your message? And why you got timeout? What the hell? What Nightboot? Let me check what the hell did Nightboot did. I just activated the Nightboot. block words and phrases. This filter allow you to time out custom words phrase. Why? What is this? Hello, hello, welcome to the stream. Mecca, where were you? Time to shower and then work. Nice. Work is my favorite me word. Did you test the request that I sent on the Discord for the reset user? No, I haven't tested yet because I was dealing with some bugs. So that is on my list. But I have not started working on that one. But I will definitely, because that's a very great idea. I really like it. But the issue right now is I'm dealing with the some bugs, right? So the update is not deployed yet. No. It doesn't. It's not deployed yet. Very honestly, I don't want to ship something that it's not working or it's like kind of broke. You know me. I'm really excited for this update myself. That it should be. I should be able like to finish it. And honestly, I started. It was last week that I started working on this one. And as you see, I'm still working on this. And the issue is kind of I'm not happy with if I see some bug even smaller, not like that smaller, but the things that like if you open first time and if you feel like, oh, what is this, or why this is like broke or something, I don't want to ship that kind of update. That's why I'm like keep testing. This is my tester Nexa tester version, which is this is my dev version, right? I work on this one, which is this is like a hot reload, and after this it goes to this version. It's gonna go to tester version, and from this tester version it's gonna go to server dev, and after server it's gonna go to public version. Like it's like 4 version basically they need to pass. That's the thing. Bro, have you tried the OX Alpha? No, I have not tried. Welcome, Philip, to the stream. Hi, Riza. Can we get the wallpapers? Yeah, that's gonna be in the next update. I will make it the wallpaper, this one, that you guys be able to save it basically if you want. Like click and then see save, you know. Look, if you keep opening stuff inside the Nexa tester, I want you to do not open here. We are working on the local dev version. We are not working inside Nexa tester, right? So opening stuff here does not help you. What happened? Why your messages keep getting deleted? Why? What is this Nightbot doing, bro? Let me fix this one. Chat. Let me turn off the chat. The chat moderation. Okay, now can you send me, sorry, Tabi, sorry, because I set it Nightbot, it's my first time using it, right? So maybe I kind of disabled a lot of its stuff on the link, and repetition is, even the repetition and the disable, only the link is, protection is open. Can you send me again your message? Because that's like annoying basically.
No stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I'll be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star.
Okay, let me try if this is fixed with the panel. Okay.
I said I'm moving too far. Get it fast. Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I'd be big in a game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast. Didn't even get a glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We aren't hating because you aren't. Shining like it's neon. Rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then
Okay, so let's increase the limitation from 9, maximum 9 panel at the same time to 12. And each row maximum should be, for example, vertically maximum 4 at the same time. Now, as you see, it goes more than 4, it goes to even 5 sometimes. So it should be maximum 12 panel. How it should be 12 panel. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Like this. So basically, as you see right now, maximum 12 panel, and also those panels should also kind of I don't know, if I make a panel, okay, what I want right now us to do, limiting the panel is not a good idea basically, because we have multiple different types of panel like chat, browser, and also like path plan, all of these panels, terminal, right? So instead, what we should do, that we have to work on our organized section and make it that smarter. So right now, sometimes it suggests panels which is not very ideal for workspace basically. And also we should not enable the scrolling ability. Basically, the background should not be scrollable. It's fixed, but the maximum panel, it depends on the size of user's workspace on their monitor. Basically, we have to make it that if a user has like a monitor and they make Nexa smaller, and then they open multiple panels, on that time it depends on their workspace. Nexa limit, for example, if like they have maybe 3 chats open, and then maximum maybe it's open already 6 chat, right? And then they try to open another panel, and they don't have like a proper space for position those panels. The smart organized should not allow basically, and then user can increase their workspace panel, and then they can open more and more and more. So before doing it, I want you to open Nexa pad and properly draw for me in each scenario, like how that will look like, each size of each foundation, how that will look like. Sorry guys, I'm like busy with today. I'm trying to make especially the organized section like a little bit more optimized. I'm not gonna try to make it like something that I want to make it like, basically this one should be very, very smart. That's really affect when you have like unlimited panels and like other stuff going on. You don't need to use Nexa design for this one. Okay, this is just for Nexa panels based on each scenario. Do not open any site or browser etc, just try to work on Nexa pad.
Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start looking as a lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but in the dead of the night, teardrops on the floor. The pain is over, feel the darkness take control.
Okay, nice. And also for vertically as well, right now you only consider basically like, how about like even smaller, right? Like maybe three chats side by side, 4 chat side by side vertically. Make sure that organize should be smarter. Basically it should always think of, if like user has like more than 5 panel, right? Maybe even 4 panel, maybe 5 panel, not 4. Organize should also have always like one bigger panel in its mind, and also if it's like larger panel, like maybe 9, it also should consider one kind of focus panel for user, and then user can use it, because they can just literally replace each other panel, but they need to have like kind of space. Organize should be very smart. Work on organize as well. And yes, the amount of panel should be based on users. space, and also the calculation should be based on our chat. As you see, we have the minimum chat that user can set on their chat, right? So that should be, I think, if the user cannot fit like more than 2 side by side, I don't know, like that should be based on our chat that we have, the minimized chat that we have. Welcome everyone to the stream. Sorry, I'm like all over tonight because I want to ship this version as soon as possible. Kind of, it's been over a week. I started this one working, I think it was Nexa, when it was not Nexa, like it was past. Let me check exactly. It was 5 days ago. It was on day 20. It was on day 20, which is 18th of August. So it was last Tuesday that I started working on this one. Basically, tomorrow is going to be exactly 1 week. Welcome, Super. Welcome to the stream. What's up? How are you doing?
searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come.
You have an interview at Entropic this Friday. Can you do me a favor by reviewing my portfolio? Okay, where is your portfolio? How, like, you have interview on Entropic, so am I eligible to check your portfolio? I don't think so. I'm eligible. I'm like basically like, you can call it like a wife code and all. I just want the UI feedback. Okay, where is your project? Join in the Discord. I don't know why I don't have the Discord link pinned. It is pinned, right? Can you see me? Can you guys see the Discord link? Join on the Discord. We have a like a section which is called share your project. So share your project here. I will definitely look at it. So this is our glass mode that we have, Nexa glass that we have. Okay, the only issue right now is that, like, you see when I click on chat or any panel, it like kind of has a glass, like a blurry. So what I want for the glassy Nexa, that blurry should be always visible. It should not be just only when I click for the focus. So fix that one for all area, and make sure it doesn't be just when I click only. It should be always visible, because user has basically a setting that they can blur, that they can increase and decrease their blur from like 0 to 100. Done. Okay, I will look at it. Hi Palajan, welcome to the stream. How are you? Okay, so this is the UI that you have. Developer building a thing. Security breaking first. Okay, this looks nice. Companies I have worked with. So this is like basically your profile, right? Like portfolio, as you said. Resona, open source, IPO pilot, an unofficial IPO pilot, Nepal's IPO. portal reserve engineered from the network tab since it published. No, okay. Yeah, it is very it looks very clean. It does look very clean, and I think I'm not like a that expert on this kind of stuff. Like I'm like a web coder. I'm not a dev that I know very technical stuff, right? But what I see is it's really looking good. Yeah, this is nice that you can click on this person, you see the developer, then you see on the mask person, you see the security, self-made hacker. Nice one. I wish you all the best. That's all I can do. Wish you all the best. And it was very nice. And thank you for sharing with us. Thank you for sharing with us. It means a lot for me. Yeah, good luck for the interview. Good luck. I'm also, I don't know if I have a good taste on design or no, but I liked it. So it was good. That was nice. That layout. Welcome to the stream. What's up? What's up, Jabir? Well, Jabbar. Okay, man. See you soon. See you. Good luck. Super good luck. Good luck for your work. See you. Thank you for joining. Okay, let's see if it did improve the layout. So basically it's a test. I'm gonna close everything. So I have like smaller, I'm gonna keep this one smaller. Nexa, I'm gonna open a chat. Okay, it did open one chat. Let me open, okay, it did open two chat. Okay, third chat, the fourth chat. So basically it did fit, right? Four chat, which is nice. Okay, so how about the fifth chat? Okay, it didn't open the fifth one because now this is the maximum that it opened. Okay, how about if I increase the size? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how about if I open now? Five. 1, 2, 3, 4. So where is the fifth one? The This is this. This is that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, where is the fifth one? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it got much better, but it needs still work. Okay, amazing job. Now it got much better, but it has two issues. First of all, when it hit to the limit, for example, there is no space that they can fit a panel. They should, instead of silence, open nothing, they should give a user a message like, you need to increase your workspace, Nexa, to fit more panels, something like that. Or even like a better version of what I said to you. And another thing that when like there is space basically right now, as you see, it shows 8 chat, which in the panel it shows 7, and even there is space, but it does not fit that one. So make work a little bit more for the organize of it, and also make it smarter. Like if there is no space, they should give a proper message to user. They know what's going on, and also when user increase their space, when there is a space available, some things like on a queue waiting for it to open, then it should open properly after that. Right now, there is no queue. There should be a queue for opening panels when there is a space available. Welcome everyone to the stream. Welcome, welcome. Okay, what was this one? Okay, the glassy. Let's check the glassy design fixed. If one of the chat is selected, will automatically maximize the panel, then put it back to organize. Yes. For example, this is your chat. You open, and then you have work, right? You do work, and then you just out of you click on restore. So now it's back to its place, and this is the same thing as you see right now. So not only chat. If you have, for example, we close one chat, imagine, and then we open browser, which does not fit properly. Okay, now the browser is open. So this also need to go away. Even with the browser, now the browser is here, you click, it open, right? I mean maximize, then you click back, it's go to its place. Yes, it does work like that. And also in the browser, as you see right now, when the browser is open, it just shows this extra message, or you can call it like kind of information, and this is not very nice. So I want you to, this one shouldn't show in the browser when the browser is open. Okay, now let me check the glassy. Okay, now the glass got so much cleaner. Yeah, now it looks nice. If I do now make it less blurry, now it, as you see guys, it works as well. this is fixed, which is amazing. Nice. What's up, Yusuf? Welcome to the stream. How are you, my man? How are you? Do you see, Yusuf, the new look and the new? This is how, like this one. The new update fixed a lot of issues that we had. Even the chat format, as you see right now, it got so much cleaner. If I open a chat and I ask it that, hi, I'm great. How are you? I'm also doing great. I'm working still on this one. And also, as you see, Yusuf and everyone, the new chat and Nexa also improved significantly. As you see, this is the new chat, which I can zoom for you guys. Now the new chat will support proper headline, heading, smaller one, normal, bold, italic, and whatever the name is, right? Inline code. As you see right now, it has, when it reports something, a cleaner spacing with numbers, completed task, pending task, and it has table. This table improved a lot. Now in table, you can expand the table. As you see, if Eugene sometime make a table for you and you need to read it properly, you can expand and you will see here. And if you need, you can copy the table. Basically, you copy and paste on your Excel and Word with the table that you have. And this is how the code will be: JavaScript, Johnson, div, and also the flow diagram. So now in Nexa chat itself, you will be able to see kind of a diagram. If you ask agent for stuff, so it can do that as well. A lot of other stuff. And also one more big thing will be on this one is PDF generation. So in Nexa, we want to create one link. So another thing is which is available is right from now on, the same as ChatGPT, that you have, like if you need sometime PDF or something in ChatGPT, you go to ChatGPT and say, okay, I want like a PDF CV, or I want like basically a PDF something or report, right, or anything like that. Now the PDF generation and the PDF downloadable will be downloadable in Nexa chat as well. Basically, if you go to Nexa and open a chat and ask an agent that, okay, this is my project and I want you to review and give me a report back on PDF, and it can do that right now. And if you have something and you want to give to the agent and ask it to give you on PDF back, that will be done as well. So that's also coming, and it got improved properly, and the PDF quality, everything got significantly improved. Or 2-bit view organize screen that rest can be smaller. Yes, I think that's what I asked it in this one. So let's see if after this one, what will happen. Let's see. That's amazing. A lot of improvement already. Yes, a lot of improvement. Especially look, the new chat will be like much more cleaner, basically. Before, like even if you look at this one, this is a chat, right? If we go, this is also same chat. This is how the new reporting will look like, clean, like very clean. And it will tell you it worked for how many minutes, how many steps it took. But if you want to see what it did, you can click and you can see what it did, which file it did. You can click basically on the file and you will see all the files available, and each one you can click and it will open for you. So yes, it improved a lot. And many more improvement, more nicer, you see. Now if you have multiple threads in one project, as you see right now, I move my mouse, you don't see any shaking, you don't see any jumpy stuff. So this is all improved a lot. Can you make it possible to drag a window to the edge of different view, especially dragging a window to top of become full view? Oh, like that one, like you drag a window and then you see option here. That's what I make for organize, Yusuf. Like if you mean that one, so that's why we have organize here. Click on organize and you will see all kind of different option for it. This is available here. Like you can do all kind of. Oh, I see. Yeah, this is very useful. This organizes exactly like kind of like if you have like multiple chat open. Imagine you have one chat, two chat, three chat, and you have one browser, right? And you don't like, or maybe like these are on top of each other, like it's not organized basically. And then what you can do, you click on organize and it will suggest you all kind of basically layout for you, and you can click here, or you can do that like it shows like, okay, you have two bigger panel below and then on top. And what you can choose, you can also do the opposite, like as you see right now. It got so much smarter, the new layout system which I'm building right now. It's not fully done compared to the old one. Like in the old one, this was the issue, not the one that you have, but the one I fixed it. Like this is your drawing stuff, right? You make it, maximize it, and then you click on restore, like the chat, and then you restore. It was sometime they were not mean to do this one, like sometimes it was open like this, like it was not proper optimized. But this version is now, this is your chat, you open, you look at stuff, and then you click restore. It's gonna go to back its place, like this one. As you see, all of it. that issue. Okay, when we were opening any site, it was showing some messaging. Right now that's gone, which is nice. It looks like this is done. Okay, nice. What I want you to do, I want you to package this one to Nexa tester version, everything that we have in local dev version. Everything should be properly packaged into Nexa tester because I want to put those on real test. Right now, we are on version 1.0.7, so let's jump to